Hi, my name is Arian van Osch and I live in the Netherlands. I've been a member of the crypto about a year now. How I would describe the crypto code in three words: one, helpful, eye opener, and the best. Why is the crypto code different from other similar products? I follow Joel for years now, and I know Joel always want to help people. And I think that's the big difference. Other products are the first place want to make money, and Joel wants to help us. What has been my biggest win or success? Uh, I have set up some nice bots, but give me a nice little profit some days. And the main thing is I have invest in the long term, and that's the coins from the list Joel and Adam put together. So I hope over some years it gives me some very nice profit. Would I recommend the crypto code? In one word, yes. And why? I didn't know anything about crypto before I joined the crypto code. And with all the help you get from Joel, Adam, and all the members, it's almost impossible that you don't make money with this program. So join.